Hello! Congrats! Yes!
Good job.
So, oh my gosh, eto na. Siyempre, kinikilig na sila kanina pa, oh. Nakita mo ba may in character pa? May nawawala. How do you feel about, of course, the warm welcome? And today, it's airing on Free TV.
Yes, sobrang nakakatuwa guys na airing na today kami yung Mutya ng Section E sa TV5, 6:45 PM, Primera Primetime 5. And yun nga, parang it feels good na the show is gonna have another cycle again on TV5 especially, which is, you know, our mother network. And it's really parang nakakatuwa talaga. I'm really grateful for everything that's happening.
You know, as Andres, what was the one thing that you enjoyed the most sa Ang Mutya ng Section E that you hope that the kapatids would enjoy when they see this on Free TV?
As Andres, na-enjoy ko siguro yung bonding, you know, all the relationships that are formed in Ang Mutya ng Section E. Makikita nyo yan sa eksenas, and talagang for me it was just the overall it was just the grouping of all of us together, being together. That's what I enjoyed the most.
Wow. And wait lang, may tinising daddy mo. Movie? Magkaka-movie ka daw ba? Oh! What can you share so far? Yun pa lang.
Share?
Yeah.
Kung wala akong makashare.
Or bawal pa?
I don't know guys, tingnan na lang natin, abangan nyo na lang kung meron or kung wala, so yun.
Pero parang dalawa yung rason ba't special tong araw na to. May binati ka na ba?
Okay.
Wow!
Oh, ano to? Happy birthday to you. May 19. Yun.
Alam na alam. Thank you so much. Thank you, Andres. And of course, I hope you enjoy kasi may showdown daw kayo ng mga kapatid natin.
Yes, yes.